Hello guys, today I will show you how to create 1000 different icons in After Effects really easily with given project which you can download for free. The link is in the description. So here are those 5000 icons with 100 categories. Then you can choose whatever you want and use whatever you want on any project, on any video or image. So I choose video games. So there is video games icons, and as you see they are all moving, and you can choose any icon which you like. So I will choose mobile game, press 2 times, and here you can change everything of it. You can change the shapes, outlines, you can hide it. You can change the animation, when to start, when to end, and it's the same with others icons. So this is the video games. As you see in the folder, there are 100 different categories which you can use. So for example, I will select old game, and you can create new composition. I will put those formats and create this one. So open this composition. You can upload your footage or something like this, and just take this icon, copy it and paste here. It isn't shown because the background is black, but we can try with a white background, and paste it here and make it bigger. So as you see, everything working good, and you can use on any video or any image. It's up to you. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. So see you soon.